Hello students, in the previous video we have started chapter 5th operators in Java. Today we continue the same chapter and here we take the topic types of operators. There are 6 types of operators as you are seeing: arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, increment and decrement operators, and last conditional operators. So these operators you have to study, and also these operators are defined in your textbook. So first of all, here we talk about the arithmetic operators. The word arithmetic is not new for you. You have studied in mathematics arithmetic operations. When we talk about the arithmetic operations, so there are 4 arithmetic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These operations are arithmetic operations. When we talk about the arithmetic operations in Java, so these operations are performed by using the operators. For addition we use plus sign, minus is the subtraction operator, asterisk, this symbol is known as asterisk, A-S-T-E-R-I-S-K. The name of this symbol is known as asterisk, and this is the multiplication operator in the account of arithmetic operators. When we talk about the division, so in case of division we get 2 kinds of values. One is quotient and another is remainder. Division is only one of the operation which gives 2 types of values: quotient and remainder. One operator can give only one value. So here we use the operator division which gives quotient, and for remainder we use modulus operator. You are familiar with the percentage sign. This is the modulus operator. The name of this operator is modulus. Modulus operator. So division operator returns the quotient and modulus operator returns the remainder. So here we take the simple example. Assume you have 2 values 14 and 3. So when we write 14 plus 3 we get 17. 14 minus 3 11. 14 multiplied by 3 42. Now if we write 14 divided by 3, so we get 4, and if we write 14 mod 3, so you will get remainder 2. So there are 5 arithmetic operators provided in Java. After arithmetic operators, we talk about the relational operator. Here the second operator is the relational operator. As the name implies, relational operator, the operator which is used to establish the relationship. So here greater than, equal, less than, equal, and is not equal. These are the 6 relational operators in Java which are used to compare the values, and these operators return the value of Boolean type. Boolean, you have studied this term in data types. Boolean values are true and false. There are 2 types of values, true and false. These are known as Boolean values. So relational operators returns the value of Boolean type. Here we take the simple example. Suppose you have 2 values 14 and 3. If we write 14 is greater than 3, so it returns true, since 14 is greater than 3. Here 14 is greater than equal 3. In case of greater and equal, any one condition should be true for true value. Either 14 is greater than 3, otherwise 14 is equal 3. So 14 is not equal 3, that is false, but 14 is greater than 3. So this condition is true, so the result is true. Suppose if we take here 14, so 14 is not greater than 14, but 14 is equal to the 14, then we get the same result, true. If we have here 3 and in place of this 14 we take 3, so 3 is again not greater than 3, that is false, but 3 is equal 3, so we get the result true. So here again we take the value, suppose 14 and 14, that is true, and in case of 3 also we get the same value. Now 14 is less than 3, that is false. If we talk about the 14 is less than equal 3, so neither 14 is less than 3 nor 14 is equal 3. In both conditions the result is false. Either one condition is true, then the result is true, but if both conditions are false, then the result is false. Now here 14 is equal 3. It means here we want to compare the value of left hand side to the value of right hand side. Is 14 is equal 3? No. So the result is false. It is used, this operator is used to check the equality of values. Suppose if here value is 14, so 14 is equal 14. Yes. In this case we get the value true. But if 3 is here, so we get the result false. Now 14 is not equal 3. 14 is not equal 3, that is true, since 14 is not equal 3. So these are the 6 types of relational operators in Java, and in the next session we will continue the same topic, types of operators, and the remaining operators we discuss in the next session. Thank you.